Hello everyone! Next we will make a beautiful bun, tie a ponytail, pull the hairs up and fix the pin as we are doing. Now roll the hairs from the up and fix it using a hairpin and your hair bun is ready. Isn't it was so easy? This hairstyle can be done in medium to long hairs and it's not at all time consuming and looks gorgeous. Next, we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. Part your hairs in 3 parts, then make the plaits out of it. Be careful, divide the hairs in equal 3 parts, otherwise it won't look good. And then fold the hairs upside as we are doing and put a pin in it and it's ready. Next, we will make a beautiful bun. Tie a ponytail and fold the hairs up, put a clutch and then roll the hairs from the up and fix it using a hairpin and your beautiful hairstyle will be ready. Isn't it was so easy and beautiful? Next, we will tie a beautiful bun, tie a ponytail and put a clutch in it. Then using a rubber band, tie the hairs from the top and start folding it as we are doing. Now using the hair bun pin, fix the bun and your hairs are ready. Thanks for watching.